Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to completely remove or replace the entire front bumper from any Audi A4 B9 out there. So today I am working on this vehicle which is made into the year 2018, but the year is not important. If you have an Audi A4 B9, this video is working perfectly fine for you and for your car. Right here, as you can see, this is how this vehicle is looking inside and outside. And to remove the front bumper, it's a very easy process. It can be done anywhere and everywhere. The first thing which you have to do is to remove right here this handle, which you use to open the hood. And right underneath, you'll have to remove this plastic shield and put it away. And right underneath this plastic shield, you will have 4 bolts in total, which are securing the front bumper attached to the vehicle right here in the middle at the top. After that, the next thing which you'll have to do is to go on the corners of the front bumper, and to make your job a little bit easier, I recommend you all to lift the vehicle up and remove the front wheels completely. Then you'll have easier access to the bolts which are securing the dust protection from the wheel attached to the front bumper, and you'll have to remove some bolts from right there, from inside the area, and then you'll have to pry open the dust protection from the wheel, and inside the bumper you will find one more bolt on each corner which is securing the front bumper attached to the front fenders. And finally, the last thing which you'll have to do is to go underneath the vehicle. You'll have to remove around 8 bolts in total, which are securing the front bumper attached to the undercarriage of the vehicle. And then you can just go ahead and pull the bumper out completely from the vehicle. With all of this being said, let's get right into the job. And like I just told you earlier, don't forget about the screws which are installed inside the front bumper and which are securing the front bumper attached to the front fenders. You will have one screw right here into this side, and you'll have another one into the other side of the front bumper. Alright everybody, so in my case I removed all the screws which are securing the front bumper attached on this vehicle, and in my case the only thing which I have left to do is to pull the front bumper out completely from the vehicle. This vehicle doesn't have any parking sensors, is not having a headlight washer system or other systems installed into the front bumper, so I have nothing to disconnect. But in your case, if you have parking sensors, if you have other systems installed into the front bumper, you'll have to be very careful, because when you want to pull the front bumper, you'll have to disconnect also the connectors from behind it. So as you can see, the front bumper is completely removed away from this kind of vehicle. Those are all the things and all the steps which you'll have to do and follow if you want to completely remove or replace the entire front bumper from any Audi A4 B9 out there. Thank you all very much for watching. If you liked the video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a comment and a like down below. See you next time.